Headed to the Airstrip. It'll be a fun time.
Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with the shits, this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way.
Good morning, guys. Just here now in Aamby. Headed to the Airstrip. It'll be a fun time, so let's go. Last night was heavy. We were up to like what, 5:30?
Yeah, 5:30.
All of us.
Yeah.
You,
Back in the back seat.
even Socket. Yeah, man, it was a heavy day. And my sinuses are killing me. That's the story for today. We'll be dealing with that problem. And try to get some breakfast today.
Never stop, never settle. I got Henny all in my cup. I'm on top, I'm on a level, yeah. I'm tryna get to the back. Got it on lock, got it on smash, yeah. She tryna holler what's up. I'm with the shits, this how it is, yeah. When you on your way up, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, yeah. I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way, I'm on my way. What can I say? Yeah, they got a thing for the kid. Do as I may, know how I play. They still tryna do what I did. Tryna keep up, tell them it's up. Runs back, but they smoking on me. Pop your top, boy, we knock off your lid. Bent up, need my chips with the dip. Take notes, you can learn you a thing. Hot inside, I don't be making a scene. Vibe a track, you can see how they cling. Set the table, you gon'
Watch out. Finally here at the Airstrip finally. About to get some runs in. I thought you're not driving, bro.
Blacking out is too confusing, bro.
Get the drone. Give you some sick footage. It's gonna be a lit scene today.
It's not a purse, it's a merch. 6 figures was a gold, now it's 9 or a hearse. Put it work. Used to pull up, not swerve. No time for the snakes, time to put them in the dirt. That's word. I gotta get it, it's in my DNA. You only see the highlights, don't know what it takes. Last year stressing, got no sleep. Now I'm right between the courts, out of nosebleeds. Yeah, I see the hate, they don't wanna see me win. Bank deposits, I got more coming in. Top down, throw the money in the wind. I don't
winded up with our little, I guess, Airstrip track day, you could say. Just gonna have some lunch and head back. Fun time, got the sideways, did a few runs. Did the same way for drag racing, so it was fun. Hope you guys enjoyed that. How many people does it take to film 4 AMG?
Pull up, hop out, then she swerve. Do your two-step, your little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work. Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose.
I pull up, hop out, then I swerve. Do my two-step, my little catwalk, make it work. Make it work, Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose, make it work. Jill dance, make it work. Strike a pose.
Do your dance, girl. Dance, do your dance, girl.
Always remember final destination when we go on these train tracks.
A few moments later.
So you wanna do the thing?
Malay.
Yeah.
One Malay.
It's a game with me. Take it.
Snatch it. No, don't touch the stick, okay? Just only stick good. Don't touch the
Take. Come, Kulus, come. Which one ice cream? Good job. Take. Good job. Come. Come. This. Again. This is final. Give ice cream. Give ice cream. Cookies cream.
Thank you, horsepower cattle. But you got to be eyes as well.
Guys, check out this Swift from, I guess, Bangalore. It's like stanced out and stuff. Check it out. So, guys, hope you guys enjoyed that episode of Horsepower Cartel. Go ahead and smash that like button. While you're watching this video, just go ahead and like it. It's gonna take you like literally like 5 seconds, not even. Just, you know, minimize your screen and hit the like button. That's it. It's not that hard. And subscribe if you haven't. Over 50% of you guys who watch our vlogs aren't even subscribed. Like, I don't get it. Like, if you claim you're diehard, you know, Cartel fam, you know, like, you guys want to support us, go ahead and subscribe, go ahead and like, and share it if you can. You know, I know that's a little too much to ask for, but at least, you know, the least you can do is just like the video.
And comment, honestly.
And comment, yeah, just comment anything. Just be like, how is Ruel looking? I don't even think, did we even see Ruel this whole trip? I guess we did. Nicket's got some shots. Yo, shout out to my boy Nicket, man. Coming through clutch with the drone shots and, you know, giving Ruel a helping hand as well. Overall, crazy weekend. We had a blast. Shout out to Rishabh as well for setting this up. It was a long pending birthday party, I guess you could say. But he set it up for the Weekend Torque boys. We had a lot of fun. And yeah, a lot more to come. We were just tired. Like, you know, when you have an airstrip to yourself, you just get so tired. Like, everyone's just tired of drag racing, tired of drifting. It was really hot too, so the cars weren't performing. Well, at least I know this car wasn't performing that well. It felt kind of slow. But anyways, Evo, fingers crossed. I got the new turbo on. I gotta drive it and see how it is. It's ready. I gotta go pick her up. We're gonna be making an episode of that. Also, we gotta shoot a lot more, and we have a lot more content coming up too. If you guys are missing out on the content, you know, it's not my fault. You can blame Ruel. It's not my fault. It's all his fault because he's being away. But anyways, we're gonna fix all that. You know, at least gonna come back to at least 2 to 3 videos a week, right, Ruel?
Yeah.
And yeah, keep watching and see you guys soon.